Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will present English Maritime with topic watchkeeping and maintenance duty for engine officer. Why various safety and emergency equipment must be periodically checked. Emergency equipment means equipment installed or carried to be used in case of abnormal or emergency situation that demand immediate action for the safe conduct on board and protection of crew, including life preservation. Example give fire extinguisher, emergency generator. All safety and emergency equipment has a lifetime which can affect the quality of the optimization of the equipment. Therefore, all the equipment need to be checked periodically to keep the condition of the equipment maintained, and besides that all of the equipment can function and operate normally when an emergency is needed. Explain why fuel oil, lubricating oil, and cooling water supply and tank levels should be checked regularly. The fuel oil system, lubricating oil system, and cooling water system are the main system in supporting the engine work system. From the system, we can also know and analyze the condition of the engine, whether it is in good condition or not. Therefore, it is necessary to carry out periodic check by looking at the quality of the system and tank level of the system to prevent damage to the engine or things that are not desirable. Rate one way to check some type of detector. Fire alarm periodic inspection is method of testing to determine the functionality and condition of the fire alarm system that has been installed. This is to ensure that the system can run properly. Periodic inspection that fire alarm test can be carried out by qualified technicians who understand fire alarm system or can appoint competent crew on board to carry out routine inspection and tests. Before inspection or test is carried out, it is required to give a warning to all crew on board so that they do not panic if an alarm goes off because it is being tested. Procedure and steps in testing of fire. Visual inspection of all installed material, not only to detector but also to the panel annunciated alarm set consisting of alarm bell, indicator lamp, and manual button and cable installation. Checking the head detector is done using a hair dryer. It can be combined with a temperature detector that is widely available to ascertain what temperature the detector detects heat. Checking the smoke detector use a smoke checker that has a aerosol concentration. Spray at a distance of 30 cm from the detector. The atmosphere in the room has wind or it cannot affect the length of time the smoke accumulates in the chamber. Checking the fire detector can use a match spark. Always pay attention to the area does not contain flammable materials. Checking the alarm set manually button can be done by pressing the button. If the break glass is generally a key to performing this test. Why the defective hose should be replaced. One of the safety equipment on board is a fire hose, which functions a fire extinguisher with the seawater method pumping by emergency fire pump. Fire hoses have special standards and specifications that have been set by international regulation, one of which is maintaining the pressure of the spray water. Therefore, it is necessary to check periodically to maintain good condition and if there is damage immediately to replace at time to avoid leaking in the fire hose. In addition, this is also to avoid penalties if there is an inspection from the authorities or poor state control. Why the water tank door must be clear and unobstructed. Water tank doors are installed to prevent the entry of water from one compartment to another during flooding. They are usually located at the bottom of the ship where the engine and shaft tunnel are found. The water tank door may stay closed especially while the boat is running, or it may be left open except in an emergency. Therefore, the water tank door must not be blocked so that it can be closed completely, and so that no water entering when there is a flood on the ship. That is my presentation. I hope it can be helped. Thank you for your attention.